Holidays, holidays, nothing's better than the holidays. And this is what a morning face really looks like. And I just kind of tap it on with my fourth finger because apparently it's the weakest finger on your hand and the eyes are very sensitive. And I think I learned that from either Paul Rudd or Mark Ruffalo with these little round edges. And good. I'm gonna go for this look. The purples. Always move your skin up against gravity. Like pumping onto here. I don't know why. I see professional people do that, so I just do it too. And you can put this on all of your high points. Does it look different? I think so. And you just put a little bit on and you blend it in on the apples of your cheeks. Something I learned from Paul Rudd. And voila, a bit more perfectly defined eyelids. Some pearly glow to hide them and reflect the light. You guys, this is my base. I still look a little tired because I haven't done anything to my eyes. But how good does my skin look? Let's be real. I think this girl's ready for a party. You might have noticed a bit of a change around my eyes. I just applied the Extreme Party Mascara off screen. That's my favorite one. I learned that from Chris Hemsworth, who also applies all of his mascara off screen. Next, don't be fooled by the intents that I got. I'm still natural Lizzie from the block. You can call me Mrs. Claus. I'm ready. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new about Paul Rudd. Now, that was my morning routine. Thank you, Bobby Brown, but mostly, thank you, Paul Rudd.